Welcome back to MS Tech. Today we'll be taking a look at 5 different setup hacks you can use in order to make your setup look cooler. Obviously we do not have Matt in the video at the moment, but we will still try our best to show you 5 tech products that you can add to your setup. As always, all the products mentioned will be linked in the description below. We make these videos for you guys, so if you have any comments on things we can improve or adjust, please let us know in the comment section below and we will do our best to make them tailored towards you guys. With that being said, let's start off with the first product. The first product we have in this video is a picture frame brought to us by PowerPick. Now this is a great addition to any setup if you have a really beautiful picture like this one. Now what separates this picture frame from all the other ones is that it is also a wireless charger. All you gotta do is place your phone inside the frame and boom, your phone starts to charge. A very simple and useful tech product that can be added to your setup at any time. Now the second item we have is not so much tech, but something that you can use to make your setup look a lot cleaner. And that product are these small cable organizers that you see. Now they're very simple to use. All you gotta do is peel the adhesive and stick them to wherever you want in order to line up the cables perfectly to have them all grouped together instead of having them wave around everywhere. For only $5 to $10, you really can't go wrong with these. Moving on, we have a USB-C dongle, and these are very useful nowadays if you have a newer MacBook or even if you have a lot of peripherals and are running out of ports. These also come in really handy if you want to read an SD card, and overall for only $20, they're really small, you can take them anywhere, and it adds a lot more functionality to your overall setup. The next item is something you can add to your setup to spice it up a bit. We have a pair of RGB water speakers. You can add these to your setup to add a bit of pizzazz or a cool water show when you're either doing work or watching videos. Now obviously these may not be the best for bass, but they project sound pretty well for only $25. They add a bit of color to your setup and also a bit of movement. This next one is for all the laptop users out there, and it's one of my personal favorites. It's also been hidden throughout this entire video. This is an invisible laptop stand that you attach to the bottom of your laptop. I found it pretty convenient for having a setup that is constantly being moved around. I'm able to plop my laptop down on my desk and raise it, and just like that, I have a dual monitor setup. And whenever I want to take my laptop on the go, I just pick it up, fold it, and I'm good to go. It isn't bulky at all and is very slim, and for $15, it makes your laptop look like it's floating. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. And also check out our channel, Tech Barn. The link to that is in the description below. All support is appreciated. This has been MS Tech, and as always, stay classy.